Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Jyai. Now, Jyai to me has always been the coin that is going to do the magic, okay? And I have been covering Jyai ever since it started, below 1 million market cap. So I can tell you from experience that this is one of the greatest investments that a lot of you are going to make for sure. Okay? We have some exciting things coming up. We're going to get some massive exchange listings. We're going to get some influencers that are going to absolutely shock you. Partnerships that will blow your mind. So all of this is going to come. And the only thing that is required of you is to join Jyai, join obviously the community, get active, and be patient. If somebody was to tell me that all I had to do was to just be active on the socials and be patient and my life would change, like I could make a ton of money, I would do it in a blink of a second. Luckily, I am doing it right now, and I've been in cryptos for years, so obviously I know how this all works. But some of you are still trying to figure out where to go in, what to do. I understand the retail, they find everything very confusing. A lot of them just decide to go into the biggest meme coins out there, like as if they could, 100x or something like that, which would be impossible. But when you look at coins like Jyai, you think to yourself, oh my God, look at what we are seeing here. Like the type of pumps that we've seen, the type of, dips that we've seen. Like we've had opportunities like no tomorrow. But this is only a preview. This is only the beginning of something so big, so exciting, and so breathtaking that your mind is going to explode. Now, it's important, like I said, to join the X account. Because recently we have managed to secure the first ever Jyai billboard. All thanks to Alexander. He is one of the members of this community, a guy that, joined Jyai because of my videos. So I am doing a lot of great things as well. Sometimes I think to myself, is it worth it? Am I helping out? But now I start realizing that yes, and it all connects. At the end of the day, if maybe Alexander had never seen my videos, then he would have never joined Jyai and that billboard would have never taken place. Like, it all connects. So I am very, very happy about this. This is incredible. You can also join Jyai's Instagram account. Be active. Be social. Talk. The community members are incredible. I mean, if you join the Telegram, there's talk about everything all the time. And there's literally information that will put you guys ahead of everyone else. You understand how important information is. It's crucial. It's everything. So listings are coming up, okay? You've got this one and some other really, really massive, nice ones coming up. We've got also lots and lots of influencers talking about Jyai, which is incredible. Look at this. So you've got Crypto Empress with 131k followers. That's big. Big for an X account. This is the guy, Alexander himself. So all of this work is magical. And there's so much more to happen. So much more to come our way. And we are just warming up. Believe me, there's going to be a point where all the influencers will be covering Jyai. Well, all the exchanges are going to come in and organically list Jyai. So this is only the start. And on top of it, guys, the website looks solid. I always go here just to kind of check like how much has been achieved. Incredible, guys. More than 30 exchange listings. To me, extremely undervalued. But it's up to you to decide whether you are able to go in now, whether it has already convinced you, or you just want to wait until it like reaches 1 billion and then you will feel confident enough. But you won't see those type of multipliers that you would right now. So decide, guys. Time is ticking. We are close to a bull run. Things are about to start really popping off. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.